Welcome to another episode of FML, and today's video will be presented in the future. It's a past video that I did to get the car up and running for a previous video, but now I'm showing it to you after I did it. So yeah, let's keep going here. Anyways, this video is going to be about me doing the tie rods on this Mercedes that I just got. If you don't know what I'm talking about, check out the video prior to this and learn more about it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, dislike. You can unsubscribe too, I guess. But keep watching, stay tuned, and we got more exciting stuff coming along. So let's get to work. All right, so here we have the car jacked up on stands. I just have small stands underneath it. I can't really get it up too high. But here's the problem. I don't know if you can see that, but our tie rod snapped off. So this guy's just flopping around. Also, if you guys like the music on my channel, don't forget to click on their links below. I don't get anything out of it except for letting me share their awesome music. So check them out, buy their albums, help support them. So here you can see where it broke. Right there and right there. And I've already got it soaking in some PB Blaster. So we'll see how that goes. Alright, so we got the boot off, and my neighbor is vacuuming, so you're gonna have to excuse that noise. And even this part up here is bent. So that's pretty crazy. I think I said that already. So let's see if we can get this thing off of here. And I don't know how they expect you to get this clamp back on and crimp it while the steering rack's in here. There's too much stuff in the way. I don't understand. So we're going to be using a hose clamp. I know it's not ideal, but it gets the job done. And realistically, it's just to hold the boot on. So when I do inner tie rod removals, I always get this tool from Autozone. I just rent it. They're like $90. I never really justify spending that on something that I could just borrow when I need it. But it comes with all these adapters on there and half-inch drive on the end of it, so you can just throw a ratchet on there. It makes the job pretty easy. I will say that once in a while I've had this happen where I drop it, and what happens is that they're on so tight that these actually will spread apart and it'll skip off of it. So I only had that happen once, but something to keep in mind when you're doing it on your own. So let's see if we can get this off. Alright, here we go. We got the new one in. It's all tightened down. So now we're going to put our boot back over. We're going to get this nut off of here to get the boot on. And then we'll put the nut on, get it threaded into the outer tie rod, and move on to the other side. Da, 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 da. And there you have it, folks. We got it all put back together. I did a eyeball / tape measure alignment on the front, and basically you're measuring from one tread pattern to another tread pattern, front and back, and you're making those two numbers as close as possible. It gets you pretty close. It's not perfect, but at least it'll get you until you can get an appointment made. The only thing that I had a problem with was the driver's side inner tie rod, and that's because the tool that AutoZone was skipping, like I talked about at the beginning of the video. So it's always something to keep in mind. I ended up just going to the store and picking up a 40mm wrench and was able to pop it off, and everything went back together real smooth. The alignment went pretty smooth. No surprises or anything like that, unlike that thing. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to keep making financial mistakes.